Easy English conversation at the supermarket. Hi, Michael.
Hey, Sophia, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you. I need to buy some food today.
Me too. This supermarket is very big.
Yes. Do you know where the milk is?
I think it's in aisle 5.
Thank you. I also need eggs and bread.
I need chicken, rice, and juice.
Oh, look. The chicken is here.
Nice! How much is this chicken?
It's $8.99.
That's not bad.
Do you want orange juice or apple juice?
I like orange juice.
Me too.
Excuse me, where are the tomatoes?
The tomatoes are near the vegetables section.
Thank you.
The tomatoes look fresh.
Yes, they do.
I also need bananas.
And I need some apples.
These bananas are very cheap.
Yes, they are only $1.50.
That's a good price.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, I need cereal and water.
I need coffee.
Coffee is over there.
Perfect, thank you.
No problem.
Wow, supermarkets in America have so many things.
Yes, sometimes it's hard to find products.
That's true.
Ready to pay?
Yes, let's go to the cashier.
Hello. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
Great. Do you want to pay with cash or card?
Card, please.
Perfect.
How much is everything?
Your total is $42.75.
Okay,
Here is your receipt.
thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
That was easy.
Yes, shopping in English is getting easier.
Practice helps a lot.
Definitely.